Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about cleaning up unused objects in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, when an object is no longer needed, it can be cleaned up by the Java garbage collector. The garbage collector is a built-in mechanism in Java that periodically frees up memory by removing objects that are no longer in use. An object is considered to be no longer in use when it is no longer reachable by any live threads or other objects in the program. This means that there are no references to the object and it can be accessed or used again. It is important to note that the garbage collector only frees up the memory that an object is using. It does not release any other resource associated with the object, like file handles or network connections. Therefore, it is a good practice to provide a way to explicitly release these resources in a class by implementing java.lang.autoclosable interface, that is, by providing a close method in a class. Here is an example of a class that implements the autoclosable interface. In this example, the class myResource implements the autoclosable interface, which means it has a close method. The close method should be used to release the resources associated with this class. The recommended way to use this class is by using try with resources statement. In this example, the object resource is created within the try block and the close method is automatically called when the block is exited, whether by normal execution or an exception or a return statement. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.